Sanjay?
Sanjay.
Yes. Namaste.
Namaste.
Sanjay?
Sanjay.
Ferry भेटौँला.
Oh yeah.
Ferry
Peri.
भेटौँला.
Peri Petonla.
नेपालमा.
Nepalma.
नेपालमा.
Nepalma.
अच्छा. मलाई
Malay.
नेपाल
Nepal.
जानु
Janu.
मन पर्छ.
Manpasa.
Yes. एक दिन एक
Ek.
दिन
Ekin.
नेपालमा
Nepalma.
भेटौँला.
Petonla.
Next year.
Next year.
Thank you. Namaste.
Namaste.
धन्यवाद. Daniela. Okay, tell me how many things are you doing here? You done here?
Oh, a lot. I don't know.
Just someone, something.
Six pieces.
Yeah. Suit, short.
Suit with a skirt also, and trousers, a dress, three shirts.
Yes.
What else?
And how much for Dirk? Dirk also many.
I took one suit and 4 trousers, 1 short, and the other 3 long.
Okay.
And a special tie and some shirts. Long
Yeah.
sleeve shirts.
So tell me about all of things. Is going down good? Yeah.
Yes, very beautiful.
Okay. You like it?
Yes, we will wear it very often, I think.
Okay. Thank you. And if some German people want to come in the tailor or something want to make in Thailand,
Yeah, I can
what do you want to tell
recommend
them?
you. Of course, I can recommend. Yeah.
Okay, please.
That's why
I
you
already
can talk
did.
a little Russian.
No, German.
Ah, she did German.
Yeah, please one more. You
Okay.
too.
Hallo meine Damen und Herren, ich kann euch nur empfehlen, James, the tailor in Phuket.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Io parlo italiano.
Stefan, and this is your second time, yeah?
Yes. No, my third time, or second or third?
Sure, yeah. But you've been in my tailor shop is second time.
Yes.
Why you come second time again?
Because I'm very happy with everything.
Yeah.
You are very kind.
Thank you.
Very kind service.
How many shoot you done this time?
This time, 2 suits,
Mm-hmm.
2 shirts,
Mm-hmm.
and 3 trousers.
So everything is perfect?
Look. Perfect.
Perfect. Okay. So everything good, yeah?
Yes.
Please give me some recommendation in your Swiss language, okay?
Io posso solo raccomandare James Taylor.
Where is James Taylor?
James Taylor in Phuket.
Phuket, yeah? Outside the Indigo Pool?
Yes, near Indigo Pearl Hotel.
Okay, thank you. So everything is good, yeah?
Everything very good.
Please, if it's somebody coming from Swiss to here,
Yeah,
yeah, just recommend if they want to come, okay?
yes, you please come to James Taylor in Phuket. I can
Thank-
only recommend it.
Thank you. And you can speak Italiano also?
Sì,
Oh, tell me in Italiano.
He did already.
Already?
Did already.
In French?
je peux seulement recommander Monsieur James Taylor in Phuket.
Thank you. Cheers! Okay, Happy New Year 2012. Okay, what is called in Germany? Happy New Year.
Frohes
Neues
neues
Jahr,
Jahr 2012.
Okay, thank you very much everyone. We'll see you again next
Thank
time,
you.
same time, same shop, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.